we divide 254 by 2 in long division method. So 2 times 1 means 2. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down the number beside this 5 and we remove this 0. So 2 times 2 means 4. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2. So we put down the number beside this 4. So now it became 14 and 2 times 7 means 14. On subtracting we get 0. So 254 divided by 2 is 127. So this much for today and thanks for watching.